Hi, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a car battery with one hand. It's something that everyone will probably need to do at some point in their life. So we're going to start by loosening our terminals here. Here we're going to use our wrench. We should loosen up the ground first. Like that. Just need to loosen it enough that you can wiggle it off of the terminal. Let's see. Yep, looks like that one's coming. You want to make sure when you're using a wrench you never connect the two terminals. You can get zapped pretty bad. So now we'll loosen up our second terminal. Okay, now they're both off. We're going to use one of these things here, which allows you to both clean the existing terminal, which we don't really need to do, but I'll do it for demonstration. Move this one back a little. Alright, and we'll, that's how you would clean off an existing terminal. Here, what we're more concerned about is cleaning out the contacts of the wires here. So, I'm going to get the worst of this crusty stuff off of here that builds up just from electricity and water coming in contact over time. Seems to be a good bit on this one. So, that one's pretty good. Move on to our ground. Done with this. This particular battery, it fastens down inside here. There's a little bracket you need to loosen up. Let's make sure we're going in reverse here. Alright, and so now we'll loosen up the bolt on this bracket. See if we can get that. My fingers now. Yeah. So we'll take our bolt out. Take our bracket out. There's a little kind of decorative cover that we'll take off here because we don't need that. And now one of the main differences in how you do this one-handed versus two, on the batteries that don't have a handle to pick it up, you would use one of these claws to grab it, and you can lift it up and out. And if you're new to the whole one-arm thing, you want to be careful doing that. You don't want to injure yourself because those batteries aren't light. Now we'll pick up a new battery, attempt to get it down into place, and then we take our claw off of it, push it back where it needs to be. There's a little bit that catches the back of the battery there. I'll leave that for a minute. Now we'll put our bracket down here. And what this bracket pretty much does is force the battery underneath the retainer that is in the back. So now we're going to put our bolt on here to secure the battery. I'm just going to make it snug. You don't want to like strip anything out. Push that down out of the way. decorative thing on now, and we'll proceed with retightening our terminals. Again, just pushing it down so it's going to make good contact, and we'll tighten up positive just so it's snug like I described. Make sure I can wiggle off on us. Got that. Pull our negative terminal over, that one all the way down. Snug it up. And now we're not going anywhere there. So, final test will just be start up the car, make sure it starts up nice. And you always want to make sure, just as a tip, that your positive is going to positive and negative to negative where it's labeled on the battery. And they usually have a little engraving on the plastic showing that. So you can hear it started up a little bit rough because it had to kind of readjust to having been disconnected from power. And that's pretty much it for this video. If this has been helpful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. And please do comment with anything that you would like to see how you do it with one arm. Have a good one.